Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, have swept the globe. The way we think about value and ownership in the digital world is being entirely transformed by these distinctive digital assets. Anyone can now invest in NFTs and possibly gain money thanks to the growth of NFTs. But for beginners, the world of NFTs can be overwhelming. That's why we've put together this guide to the 6 most profitable ways to make money with NFTs in NFTproX for beginners in 2024. 1. NFTproX. Blockchain technology is used by NFTproX, a special marketplace for buying or selling NFTs, non-fungible tokens, to give investors a new opportunity to generate passive income. For those wishing to diversify their investment portfolio, NFTproX provides a particular investing choice. To maximize their return on investment, investors should read this thorough guide, which contains all the information they need to know about purchasing NFT projects on NFTproX. The UK-based NFTproX offers cloud mining and NFT investment services. Smart contracts, the cornerstone of their distinctive investment method, guarantee the transparency and secrecy of each transaction. By integrating cloud mining and NFT investment, users will have more investment alternatives and generate higher profits. Establish a profile. Users can join up and confirm using the straightforward online interface NFTproX. Participants are going to get a $10 registration bonus for investing in NFT projects and cloud mining contracts as a welcome gift for new members. Selection of NFT. Once investors have made a deposit into their accounts, they gain the autonomy to select which NFT projects to allocate their investments towards. It's imperative to conduct thorough evaluations of factors such as uniqueness, rarity, and growth potential when considering NFT investments. Similar to managing a bank account, customers fund their accounts, and daily earnings in dollars are automatically deposited into their accounts. NFTproX offers a range of price options, from $100 to $1,500, with varying contract lengths and distinct return on investment potential, spanning from $10 to $6,800. Each option presents unique opportunities for investors to strategically diversify their portfolios and maximize their returns within the NFT market. 2. Buy and hold NFTs. Investing in NFTs through purchase and long-term holding is among the most straightforward ways to capitalize on their potential profitability. Much like traditional investments, the value of NFTs can appreciate over time, offering opportunities for future sales at a profit. NFTproX provides a diverse selection of NFTs catering to various interests, ensuring there's something suitable for every investor. Whether your passion lies in music, gaming, art, or any other niche, you can explore an array of options to align with your investment philosophy. By carefully selecting NFTs that resonate with you, you can strategically build a portfolio poised for growth and financial success in the dynamic world of non-fungible tokens. 3. Flip NFTs. Flipping NFTs presents yet another avenue for potential profitability within the NFT ecosystem. Similar to traditional flipping practices, this strategy involves acquiring NFTs at a lower price and subsequently selling them for a higher value. NFTproX simplifies the process of identifying undervalued NFTs with promising growth potential. By diligently monitoring the market and strategically purchasing when prices are low, investors stand to capitalize on future price appreciation. This proactive approach enables investors to leverage market fluctuations to their advantage, potentially yielding substantial returns as the values of selected NFTs increase over time. With careful analysis and timely execution, flipping NFTs can serve as a lucrative venture for those keen on maximizing their investment opportunities in the dynamic world of non-fungible tokens. 4. Create your own NFTs. Engaging in the creation of NFTs offers a compelling avenue for individuals endowed with creativity. Through the development of unique and captivating NFTs, creators unlock the potential to generate revenue by selling their digital assets. NFTs, characterized by their unparalleled flexibility, afford creators the freedom to explore virtually limitless possibilities in digital expression. Whether crafting artwork, composing music, producing videos, or conceptualizing virtual real estate, the NFT ecosystem serves as a fertile ground for innovation and artistic entrepreneurship. With the democratization of the digital art market facilitated by NFTs, creators can monetize their talents in diverse and exciting ways, transcending traditional boundaries and forging new paths toward financial success and creative fulfillment within the dynamic realm of non-fungible tokens. 5. Invest in NFT funds. For individuals who prioritize simplicity in their investment strategies, exploring NFT funds presents an enticing option. NFTproX offers a range of such funds, each with its distinct investment philosophy and potential for success. When you invest in an NFT fund, you effectively join a collective effort with other shareholders to pool resources for the acquisition of NFTs. This approach allows you to leverage the expertise of seasoned investors and potentially reap profits without the need for intensive personal involvement. By entrusting your capital to these funds, you gain access to diversified portfolios curated by professionals, mitigating individual risk while capitalizing on the opportunities presented by the dynamic NFT market. Whether you're a novice investor seeking exposure to the NFT space or a seasoned trader looking to streamline your investment process, NFT funds offer a straightforward yet promising avenue for participation in this burgeoning asset class. 6. Participate in NFT auctions. Last but not least, participating in NFT auctions is another way to make money using NFTs. Investors can place bids on and possibly win valuable items at NFTproX's frequent auctions for high-value NFTs. You might be able to purchase valuable NFTs at a discount from what they would sell for on the open market by taking part in auctions. And if you're fortunate enough to prevail in the auction, you could be able to realize a substantial profit when you eventually sell the NFT. Setting up your crypto wallet. To interact with the NFT ecosystem, you'll need a crypto wallet. This digital wallet stores your cryptocurrency and allows you to connect to NFT marketplaces. Popular choices for beginners include MetaMask and Trust Wallet. Here's a simplified guide to setting up your wallet. Download the app. Choose a reputable crypto wallet app and download it from the official App Store. Create your account. Follow the in-app instructions to create a new account. This will involve setting a strong password and securing your wallet with a seed phrase. Fund your wallet. You'll need cryptocurrency to purchase NFTs. Most wallets allow you to buy crypto directly using a credit card or debit card, or by transferring from an existing crypto exchange. Popular NFT marketplaces. Once your wallet is funded, you're poised to delve into the vibrant realm of NFT marketplaces. OpenSea stands out as a premier platform, boasting a user-friendly interface and an extensive array of NFTs spanning diverse categories such as art, collectibles, and domain names. Its accessibility makes it an ideal starting point for newcomers seeking to explore the NFT landscape. On the other hand, Rarible shines with its emphasis on creator-centric communities, empowering artists to mint and directly sell their creations. Renowned for fostering a supportive environment for artists, Rarible serves as a hub for innovation and collaboration within the NFT space. Whether you're a seasoned collector or an aspiring artist, these leading platforms offer unique opportunities to engage with the burgeoning world of non-fungible tokens. Finally, NFTproX provides a variety of possibilities for investors wishing to profit from NFTs. There is an alternative for everyone, whether they like to purchase and hold, flip, develop their own, invest in funds, or take part in auctions. Additionally, given the potential for significant gains, there wasn't ever a better time to invest in NFTs. Why not give it a shot and discover how NFTs can assist you in becoming profitable in 2024?